Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
Hi, Charlie. Wow, new haircut.
Yes, I went to the hair salon yesterday.
Really? It looks different.
I said, cut a little, but they cut too much.
Oh no, too short?
Yes, much shorter than I wanted.
Poor Charlie. What did you say exactly?
I said, cut a little.
Ah, that can be confusing
Confusing? Why?
because cut a little can mean different things. Let's fix it today.
Yes, please. I need help.
If you want a small cut, say, just a trim, please.
Just a trim, please.
Perfect. That means only a little.
So, trim means small cut.
Exactly.
And if I want short hair,
Then say, please cut it short.
please cut it short.
Great. Now look at your front hair.
Yes, this part always falls on my eyes.
In English, we say bangs.
Bangs?
Yes. Say, I want short bangs.
I want short bangs.
Or if you don't want them, say, no bangs, please.
No bangs, please.
Perfect. My sister has very long hair.
Oh, does she like to cut it?
No, she likes to keep it long.
Then she can say, please keep the length.
Please keep the length. Good. That means don't make it short.
Oh, I see.
And if she wants to cut only a little at the bottom, say, just the ends, please.
Just the ends, please. Sometimes my hair looks dry.
Yes, that happens.
What should I say then?
Say, please fix the ends.
Please fix the ends.
Good. That means make it healthy, not shorter.
Nice.
After a haircut, some people dry their hair with hot air.
Oh, like with a hairdryer.
Yes, in English, we say, please blow dry my hair.
Please blow dry my hair.
Good.
And if I want soft, shiny hair,
You can say, I want soft hair, please.
I want soft hair, please. My hair sometimes looks flat.
Yes, that means no shape, right?
Yes, no volume.
Then say, add volume, please.
Add volume, please.
Perfect. That means make it big and full.
Like movie hair?
Yes, like movie hair.
Do people change hair color too?
Oh, yes. Many people do.
How can I say that?
Say, I want to dye my hair.
I want to dye my hair.
Or, if you want only the top part, say, touch up the roots, please.
Touch up the roots, please.
And if you want light lines,
That's called highlights.
highlights.
Yes. Say, I want highlights.
I want highlights. Great.
Do you like your hair with layers?
Layers? What's that?
Layers means some parts are short and some long.
Oh, I see.
It gives movement and shape.
So I can say, I want layers.
Exactly. Try it.
I want layers.
Perfect.
I feel ready for my next haircut.
Let's review what we learned. Just a trim, please. Cut it short. No bangs, please. Keep the length. Just the ends. Blow dry my hair. add volume. I want highlights. I want layers.
Next time, no more bad haircut.
Exactly. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And practice your English every day.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.